Umbraco Award for Best Custom Solution. In the category Best Custom Solution, we're looking for the coolest custom builds in Umbraco. If you've used Umbraco more as a framework than a CMS, this is the category where you should show it and show how far you can take Umbraco in customizing it. And the nominees are Intracto, with the site for Supporter van Schoen. The Netherlands Schoen Foundation has been developing activities to prevent litter since 1991. Intracto has made a platform for the foundation to inform, motivate, and activate municipalities, residents, schools, companies, and sports associations to take action together for an environment without litter. The purpose of the platform is to increase engagement, provide insight into nearby cleanup activities, and provide action perspective. Intracto developed the complete platform and integrated CRM email marketing program. Perplex Digital, with the international platform Athlon. Athlon is a leasing company which services 400,000 vehicles worldwide. The cooperation between Athlon and Perplex started when they developed the 2018 International Fleet Industry Award-winning project, Change My Car. After this achievement, Athlon challenged Perplex to come up with an alternative way of working for their international team of digital marketers, 50 people working in 24 countries. Each country had its own Sitecore installation, but they got stuck using the current Sitecore system and they were not enjoying their digital life. Athlon's mission states, Athlon, getting you there. They wanted to translate this mission to their own employees, getting you, as an Athlon employee, there. Moreover, they needed a platform that would inherit and secure their digital brand guidelines without losing CMS flexibility. Zeroseven, with a click-and-collect site for Priceline pharmacy. The Priceline Click and Collect project is an automated e-commerce platform that allows customer orders to be picked up or delivered directly from hundreds of individual Priceline stores, each with their own separate product ranges and price tags. Previously, items ordered through Priceline's online store could not be collected in-store and were all shipped from a central national warehouse. Now they can be collected in-store from more than 250 locations within just 2 trading hours, or delivered from those locations on the same day. The new solution, powered by a highly customized Umbraco T-commerce platform, makes life easy for franchises by utilizing their existing systems and infrastructure to generate new sales opportunities without requiring them to learn any new and complicated processes. It's entirely automated and integrates each store's existing product data and point-of-sale systems with Umbraco, providing customers with real-time access to their local store's inventory.